Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to discuss numerical number 17 given at the back of the chapter in the book written by D.K. Goel from the topic NPO. So let us read the question. Calculate the amount of sports material to be debited to the income and expenditure account of Capital Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2019 on the basis of the following information. So we have to calculate the amount of sports material which we are going to debit on the income and expenditure account side. And this is on 31st March 2019, and additional information is given here, that is stock of sports material on 1st April 2018 and 31st March 2019 is given here, and the creditor for sports material on 1st April and 31st March of 2019 is given. Along with that, amount paid for sports material during the year was given as 19,000. So with this, we have to find out the amount of sports material which is to be debited in income and expenditure account. So I have prepared income and expenditure account. As you can see here, the format is on the debit side, expenditure is there, then a column for amount. Next is income column, and after that amount column on the credit side. And along with that, I have prepared a balance sheet on 31st March 2019. So as per the question, the first entry we have to write, we have to find the amount of sports material which is to be debited. For that, the first entry would be on the expenditure column, 2 sports material consumed. Total amount of material consumed in a year can be calculated by, the first would be payment made for sports material, as it is given in a question that 19,000 rupees were paid for purchasing the sports material. So the first entry would be for this. Next, we have to subtract creditors in the beginning. That means on 1st April 2018, what would be the creditor that has to be subtracted from 19,000, that then we got 17,000 as a balance. And in that we have to add the creditor at the end, means creditor on 31st March 2019. So we have to add 2,600 into 17,000 to get 19,600. So this is the amount of purchase during the year 2018-19. Okay, and after that, in this we have to add the stock which were on 1st April 2018, that is 7,500, to get 27,100 rupees. And from this, which we have just calculated, we have to subtract stock at the end. That means the closing stock on 31st March 2019, that is 6,400 as per the question. So finally, the total amount which is debited for the sports material in income and expenditure account came to be 20,700. And below that, there is a balance sheet on 31st March 2019. As per the format, on the left hand side there is the liability, and on the right side assets. So as per question, on the liability side we have to write the creditor first, as it is on 31st March 2019. So at the end of the financial year, the liability is given in the question, that is creditor for sports material, that is 2,600, and stock for sports material, that is 6,400. It has to be written on the asset side. So I think and I hope that you all have understand this question. Thank you.